Hello buddies! Welcome to our channel RIDDLEQUEST. Today we talk about benefits to eat an apple. Let's start.
Did you know that a simple apple can be a powerhouse of healthy fun? Today, join Maya and her mom as they explore the delicious and creative ways to enjoy this favorite fruit.
Yucky apples again. I want cookies.
Hold on, Maya. How about an apple adventure? We can make them yummy and fun.
An apple adventure? Can they fly?
Not exactly, but they can turn into yummy treats. Like crunchy apple chips.
Hold on, everyone. Before Maya turns apples into yummy surprises, let's take a quick break. Do you want to learn more about fun ways to eat apples? If so, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. We have tons of yummy and healthy adventures waiting for you. First, we slice the apples with this.
Cool. Can we make them into shapes?
Absolutely. Stars, hearts, anything you like.
Now, the magic happens.
Wow, that smells amazing.
Soon, they'll be crispy and delicious.
Wow, they look like tiny suns. Can I try one?
Of course. Here you go.
Yummy. These are way better than boring apples.
Maya learned that apples can be a yummy adventure. With a little creativity, they can turn into healthy and delicious snacks. So next time you see an apple, don't just see a snack. See a delicious adventure waiting to happen. If you want to discover more fun and creative ways to enjoy fruits, remember to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. We have tons of yummy adventures waiting for you.